Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can easily fix your problem with your Facebook. So if you receive Facebook error logging in your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing you need to change your network. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to change it to mobile data or cellular data, and if you're using mobile data or cellular data, just turn it off and try to use Wi-Fi. Also, you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So if it doesn't help you, just tap on Facebook app and just choose remove app. So after, just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write Facebook. And now just tap on get. You will see not open here but get. Just tap on get and it will successfully download and install Facebook app on your iPhone. So this is a way how you can also do it. And the last thing you can try, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.